Tell me about these NOFAP groups. Are there any of any consequence? Should people join them? What is your take?
What are these on?
NOFAP groups where they
No
don't,
fap groups.
yeah, where they don't masturbate. There are these so many on Facebook, Insta, Telegram. Like these boys join these groups because they don't want to masturbate, and these are like support groups of sorts. Have you heard of them? NOFAP groups? No.
I have. It's funny because like I wasn't aware about any of this until I already got into like coaching men out of
Okay.
pornography addiction. Here's the thing, Rishna, is I don't think quitting porn and not masturbating like actually improves your life. I think it's the work you do in the process of quitting and becoming the man that is no longer addicted to porn that creates the change in your life. Repeat that again. Quitting porn doesn't improve the quality of your life. It's the work you do on yourself while quitting porn that improves the quality of your life. So where I see the problem with something like a NoFap group, just a bunch of guys that aren't going to masturbate, what are you doing? Like, how are you getting any better? The men that we work with, we actually provide them with tools and tactics and strategies to improve all the areas of their life. Realize that you're running to pornography because there's something missing in your life. There's a problem in your life that you're not able to solve and fix. So you're running to pornography as the escape outlet, or you're running to pornography as the pacifier for your life. So quitting that, but not solving the problem in your life is not going to produce a good outcome for you. If anything, you're just going to run to another addiction. You're going to get caught up in another compulsive behavior. So my take on all these groups is they're a waste of time. They're pointless. Yeah, is it good to have people that you're doing, things with? Absolutely. We have group coaching in our program, but it's intentional because we're actually looking at improving our life. If you think that, hey, I'm going to stop watching porn and masturbating for the next 30 days and my life is going to dramatically turn around, but you didn't change anything about how you were showing up every day, brother, you're going to be let down. And like I said, more often than not, those guys that just do that for 30 days, at the end of the 30 days, because they didn't change anything about themselves, fall right back into the same pattern of behavior.